Hello YouTube, welcome to the very first video of learning ML using Python, and today in this tutorial we will discuss about the prerequisites that you must learn before you start learning ML using Python. Basically guys, here we are learning ML using Python, so the basic of Python is the prerequisites for learning ML series, basically. So you must learn basic of Python first before you start learning ML using Python. Basically guys, in this tutorial I am going to cover the basic of Python. So basically the basic of Pythons are like variables, function, dictionary, tuple, list, classes, objects, etc. And in this tutorial I am going to cover the variable of Python. What is variable in Python? Variable of Pythons are something which stores some values, and there are five type of variable in Python. Basically they are string variables, numeric variables, list variables, tuple variables, and dictionary variables. So guys, let's see how they work. There are five types at variable in Python. They are, so first one is numeric variable, second one is string variable, third one is list variable, fourth one is tuple variable, and fifth one is dictionary variables. So let's understand what is numeric variables. Basically numeric variables are variables which store numeric value, basically numbers which store numbers. If I say a is a variable which is storing numbers, basically 1, then a will be called numeric variables. So here if I print a, then it will print it is 5 2. So here a is known as numeric variables. In the same way, string variables are variables which store string values, something like like names, like characters, string characters. For example, if I say a here, a and it's storing string. So if I say my name here, Gyanu, then here a will be string variables. Basically here a is a string variables. This is storing a string character Gyanu in variable a. So here a is a string variables. And if you talk about the list variables, then the variables we stored value of list. For example, if I say a here, and which is storing list value, and list is always written in square bracket like that, 2 3 4. You can pass any value, maybe string, characters, anything, whatever you want, number, whatever you want. And if I print here a, then it will be called as like a list variables, and you can also print some string characters in your list. For example, if I say a, and I can pass here my name, I have any string, and maybe like my roll number or something, like you can pass any character, maybe both combined form of numeric and string, 3 or something, and whatever you want to. And now if I print here a, it will print like a combined. I find it. So if I print here, now you can see a combined like form of numeric and string list is shown below. And if you talk about tuple variables, so tuple variable is something which stores tuple, in the same way like list. So if I say he a tuple variable, here I am storing tuple is already written like this, and you can pass any value like list, maybe string, or any number. And if I print here tuple variable, you can see here this is 2 3 4 4, it's a tuple variable. In the same way you can print some string too in tuple. If I say a string, like a string tuple variable which is storing string value. So if I say here, for example, I can Gyanu, like I can say something like Modi, anything, whatever you want, maybe you can pass some number. And if you print here, you can see this is done. like this. And last one is dictionary variables. And dictionary variables is variable which is storing some dictionary values like list of all, no. So it also, again, if I say each are my dictionary variables, and each dictionary written in curly bracket like this, dictionary written in curly bracket like this, no. And you can pass any value here, maybe numeric, string, combined form of numeric and string, whatever you want. And if I print here, this is a, now this is printed, no, like 2 3. In the same way you can pass some numeric like string character too. And if I say again here, no, movie and piano, any value, whatever you want. You know, if I print it, wait, again here a, you can say it is printed. So this is the like variables in Python. I hope you understand about the concept of variable in Python. And in next video I will talk about like function. What is function in Python? Thank you.